Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. Please like, share and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section.
How to make soft scoop chocolate ice cream without ice cream machine. Contains 2,635 calories. Ingredients needed: 1. 4 eggs separated. 2. 125 grams cocoa powder. 3. 300 grams caster sugar. 4. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 5. 75 milliliters full-fat milk. 6. 100 milliliters water. 7. 500 milliliters chilled whipping cream. How to make
Some people live.
If you're still watching, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and leave a comment. Feel free to ask questions.